Sup guys, Watercool Full. Today we're going to be talking about the Xbox One X LED mod by ExtremeRate. It's going to cost roughly about $34. I would highly recommend that you are experienced in electronics, taking apart the controller and etc. What's really convenient in this kit is that they include everything to take apart the controller. So you'll get your Torx security bit, screwdrivers. It comes with extra screws and everything. Obviously I don't have that on hand because it is installed already. Essentially the product is a PCB board with adhesive. You're going to put that adhesive onto the PCB of the Xbox One X controller as well as the thumbsticks right here. As you can tell, I'm not sure. Hopefully you can. Unfortunately, I am using my cell phone, so this may not be the best quality in the world, but I hope you get the point. When installing this product, patience is a virtue. Make sure you're taking your time. It did take me quite a while to install this. You will have to use a piece of paper underneath the positive and negative terminals of the Xbox One X controller. However, I did not. What I did is I lifted them up slightly, used a pair of tweezers and slid the PCB underneath each terminal and got them to stay. You may be able to do the same thing as I did. To get this product to turn on, you will have to hold this guy right here for roughly 5 seconds. So there we go. It turns on and it starts as red. Now just give me 1 second. I'm going to see if I can turn off the light that I have behind me to show you. Now it does come off as like almost like a pink, but it is red. So I'm showing you guys what it looks like. And then if you want to change the colors, you're going to basically hit both buttons right here. So here, and it'll turn green, followed by blue, and then yellow, pink right there. I think that's a purple. We have like an aqua color, back to pink, I think. And right now it changes colors. Excuse me. So that is what the product looks like when it's fully installed. So there you go. Try to give you a different angle while this is going on. So there we go. Would I recommend this product? That depends. Again, you have to be really experienced in installing this kind of thing, just because it could be complicated for some. For me it wasn't. It was just time consuming trying to get those positive and negative PCB terminals to hold down the PCB circuit board for this product. So please take your time, and the results are definitely a payoff as well. I hope you guys are having a great day. I hope this review helps you out on deciding if you would like to get this product. I would recommend it. Again, if you are experienced in doing everything that I just said, you will definitely get the same results as I did. Thank you and have a great day.